Alright, you piece of shit. You screws think you gonna fuck with me? Huh? Nah, I'm bringing out the big guns. I ain't gonna fuck with you no more. I'm bringing out the big gun. Shablam! You finna take them words back, boy? Nah, I don't even fucking care what you say now. It's too late. It's too late for you, boy. Man, I gotta get some. Now, hold still. I'll go get something to hold you down. Now we're talking, boy. I got you now. I better put on some safety goggles. Well, I guess I could just close my eyes, I guess. Better hold still, boy. Comes up. See what you got now. See here. See what you got now, bitch. Nah! Fuck with me? How about you? Ah! Alright, see what that is. See what that does, you dumb son of a bitch. No! He won. He won, and one shit I could do about it.